welcome back to As Nutritionist Deepa. I'm Deepa and I'm back in our community garden of Murray Wilkinson's food pantry. This one, how beautiful this looks, doesn't it? So, these small little things give me a lot of happiness. But the real reason that why I'm in the garden today is to discover some unsung vegetables or produce that is growing in this garden. And one of such hero is this cactus. Look how beautiful this cactus is growing. Now, cactus is something that nobody thinks that, oh, we should put it on the grocery list and shop for cactus. But it is definitely worth shopping for, because cactus pads and cactus fruit that I'm going to show you a little later are extremely rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols are the compounds which act as antioxidant, antiviral, help with GI. It has also shown to have some detox, like antimicrobial properties. So definitely this is a vegetable, you can say, or a cactus fruit worth exploring. One thing that I learned while I was researching about cactus is that it's very high in vitamin E, and I think that vitamin E is the one that really helps when people who are suffering with GERD or other GI related issues. It helps heal the inside of the gut, because you will see a lot of uses of nopales or cactus being used for GI issues, and I think it's because of the high vitamin E and polyphenol content. Another nutrient that the pads, which means the leaves, have is vitamin K. Now remember, vitamin K is extremely important. It feeds our microbiome, and as you know, gut health, microbiome, immunity, all that good stuff. So come closer. As usual, my dear Thalia is here to help me out with this project. So as you can see, there are so many cactus leaves here. When you are harvesting a cactus, you want to choose one which is kind of little thick and old. Okay, you don't want to pick the tiny ones. Now the reason being that first of all, let me talk to you about what's the taste of this cactus. So the cactus tastes, it's a believe it or not, it has a nice tangy little flavor to it. I personally felt that it was like a cross between cucumber and lime. Okay, and it blends beautifully in the salads. I have seen the recipes where you can roast it and put it in the salsa as well. So and it's very easy to grow, because once you harvest, so I'm going to harvest this leaf here. Let me look. Oh, right here maybe. Okay, now you can obviously see these big thorn or the prickly things on the leaves, right? But believe me, I learned my lesson. There are extremely fine hair all over that leaf, and it gets into your skin, and that's not pretty. It takes you forever to get rid of those. So that's why I have these two little handy dandy tools. One is the tong. So I'm just going to hold the leaf with the tong, and let me figure this out, and then it comes out just like cucumber. Okay, now last week I took one of such leaf home and just put it in the water. Okay, and it has already taken roots without any soil in it. So that's very interesting, I thought. And the small ones, so this particular leaf, I'm going to give it to Talia to try to add it in her salad, because I have few at home. But the small ones, we are going to replant it. Okay, just like that. Do you see it? And these small ones are going to grow into the bigger plants like that. It's really fascinating to see how cactus grows. Okay, cactus part 2. So if you go to a Mexican place, I mean grocery store, you will see a cactus fruit. Okay, it's called atun. One is red, kind of like dark purple color, and one is this light yellow color which has a lemony, greenish lemony flesh in it. But I must say, when you open it, you will fall in love with it. Look how beautiful this looks. It's so rich in antioxidant polyphenols, anthocyanins, which are the same compounds that we find in blueberry, and you can add it in your water, in your lemonade. You can infuse it. I'm just going to scoop it and eat it. There are seeds in there, there's flesh in there. I think you can put it in your salad, whatever you want to do it. You know, the point is that make sure you try this cactus. So we have cactus fruit and cactus leaves, right? So that's all I have to say about cactus today. By the way, the way to use cactus pads or leaves here is to either you can just chop it and put it in your salad or salsa, or you can roast it and finely chop it and put it in your tacos, burritos, or any of your dish, as if you're putting onion or any other component. So that's all I have to say about cactus. And our master gardener number 2, Mr. Tim, is here, who actually taught me how to harvest the cactus last week, and I got this fruit, and that's all I have to say. Thank you for joining. Send me your questions. Thanks to Talia for coming out and taping this video, and until then, take care. Please go buy some cactus or atun or cactus fruit and be well. Thank you.